So I'm gonna have to transfer some files because the memory card on my camera is full at the moment. So I'm just gonna carry this over. We are loaded up and ready to rock and roll, guys. Car's on there, all strapped down. Got the bash bar up here in the front, and then the rear is just around the subframe. E-brake and everything's all set up. There's the Tacoma. She's all cleaned up, nice and pretty. So we're gonna look right, leaving tomorrow in probably 3 or 4 hours. It's gonna be a long day, but there she is, all strapped down. Hell yeah. Well, we made it with 10 minutes to spare for the driver's meeting. Try to go down. Alright, so as you guys can see, we are at OSW. We have been enjoying the first day here at the Spring Break Bash. It has been awesome. I've thrown the car off the track over at the skid pad at least once. We're gonna try to get that footage up. I have the GoPro footage, and then I might have some footage via cell phone, but the drone that we were filming with might have not gotten it. It's on Facebook too, Facebook Live. But anyways, guys, we are out here relaxing, hanging out, enjoying all the tire smoke. A-Class is out there right now. I was in seat, here we go. They're coming up behind me, hold up. Bam, there we go. Adam LZ, there he is, pretty badass. There's fucking Taylor. That's pretty cool. So yeah, all the A-Class guys are out there, they're tearing it up. We've got the gang here. There's Nate hanging out. I don't know if you guys have seen him on the YouTube channel, but he's one of my buddies. We're going to post up some of the drifting footage I have on the GoPro. I did the oval twice and bent 2 tie rods. I'll show you guys real quick. Wow, everyone's got pizza. Happy people. So here's tie rod number 1. It's taped together. It was actually broken. Blame the oval. Went back out, tried to get some redemption. No redemption for me. It said, no, you suck. It bent my second one. So we just decided to call that quits, and we went to the skid pad. I ran with the B guys. They're way too fast for me right now. I can't enter in 3rd gear just yet, so screw that nonsense. I dropped myself to C class. I talked to Tyson, and I tore it up out there. So here's some footage of it. Enjoy.
Hell yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about, boy.
Alrighty guys, we are back in the garage. If you couldn't tell, it's actually a few days past the event, and I wanted to do an outro because I realized that I didn't film one when I was down there at OSW, and also almost all of my SD cards were full, so that was probably another reason why I didn't film one. I guess I just had forgotten about it, but anyways, I want to run a few things by you guys, talk about the tire wear, wherever they are, right back there somewhere. Talk about the tire wear, which was awesome. I didn't really go through much tire. I mean, I guess I got a decent amount of seat time. I wish I had gotten a little bit more, but I'm not really complaining. And the CA, she did fantastic. I can't complain about that one bit. It stayed in boost when I wanted it to stay in boost. It never overheated. The oil pressure was always there. I mean, I just can't complain about it. It's a fun little engine. I had a blast with it. I'm definitely happy that I went through it and kind of just fixed her up, cleaned her up a little bit, and I really enjoyed having the CA down there. And shout out to Brandon if you're watching it. CA Power. It was like 2 or 3, I think maybe just 2 CAs, me and him. There might have been a Sylvia out there. I could be wrong. I don't know. Anyways, let's talk about this tire life right here. I'm not too crazy on particular brands just yet. As you guys can see, this is my first event. I do a lot of parking lot drifting, street drifting, whatever you want to call it. But I haven't really been particular about grabbing any brands. I want to get some Kendas. Those look like they last a while. But seeing these tires here, I mean, this guy is still got a ton of life left in her. The wheel, I don't think it's bent at all. I mean, it could be, but it lost some air at the track. This is the one that I was rocking when I went off, and it definitely lost some air. And somewhere around here, it kind of looks like it's got a little damage right down here. It's hard to tell in the camera, but the tires, those are awesome. I didn't really burn up that many. This one was rubbing, as you can see, the quarter panel, and same with these black Steelies. They rubbed the corner panel. They were a little too wide for underneath the car, and I wasn't running my spacers. Those were bolted right up to the hub, but that was awesome. I didn't burn through much. I still have some good daily driver tires on my car right now. So yeah, I can't complain, man. I had a freaking blast. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. I'm hoping to get down to the next event here soon. Aside from the binding issue, shout out to all 3 tie rods right over here. 1, 2, and 3. They're hanging out with us. Aside from that, which ended up being my tension rod, it looked like it had backed out the jam nut, and it was just slowly threading its way back, and it was pushing the entire tire. The caster was just terrible. It was almost into the inner fender well. So that's been sorted out. I fixed that when we got home. That's something I should have looked at when I was at the track. Whoa, oh, sorry about that. That's something I should have looked at when I was at the track, but I guess I was just too in a rush or just too excited. I don't know. It's kind of silly of me, but it's definitely something to pay attention to next time. But hopefully there won't be a next time, because I don't know why I just sat down, because I want to show you guys this. I got some lower control arms here. I got some white line bushings and also some knuckles. I did pick up or order 25mm lower control arm extensions from Villains. Those came in today. I will show you guys those when I get in the house, or maybe that'll just be in another video. Trust me, I did order them. They're there waiting on me. I just got to get Maxima inner tie rods and S14 outer tie rods. I might pick those up from my buddy Patrick. That's up in the air. And I also want to get a front cross member or subframe, whatever you want to call it, and relocate the rack a little bit. I'll probably do 20 or 25mm. Just push that up just a little bit. I'm not going for anything too aggressive, but something just to kind of help me, I guess, prevent this binding issue and just, you know, be able to throw the car a little bit more. I feel like I've got a really good understanding of driving the car stock, and I feel like I did a decent job. So I don't know. I still got a little while to play around, so we'll see where it goes. I'm gonna start getting all this angle stuff together. It's not gonna be anything crazy, just enough to, you know, have some fun with. So, anyways, guys, this is getting a little lengthy. I'm gonna wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching. I hopefully will have. I won't be at the next event because that's a learner's day and a night jam or something like that. But the following event I'm going to try to go to, and plus I'll have some parking lot footy and all the good stuff that I always do. And yeah, we're going to try to get the white car running. She's hiding over there, hanging out. What is she doing? Try to get her up and running, get that car dailyable, because I want to throw a cage in the red car. I have found one online that's pretty decent. It's a DIY kit. I want to order that and get that in the car, and you know, start having some fun with this car, and, you know, enjoy it, because that's what I built it for. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Deuces.